Looking for an affordable drop-top convertible? Take a look at this one. 1990 Mazda MX-5 Miata. This particular car, a little over 38,000 miles on it is all. Just been driven in the summer, a little summer fun car. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Confirms miles. Now underneath the hood of this 1.6 liter inline 4-cylinder dual overhead cam engine that is paired up with a 5-speed manual transmission. This car does have AC. AC does blow cold on it. So if you get the top up and it's a little hot out, you want to cool off, you're fine. Otherwise, nice one to drive around a sunny day. Enjoy the summertime. Let's go ahead and check out this nose cone. Now this car has had one repaint along the way just due to kind of paint fade. According to the previous owner, it was 8 to 10 years ago or so, and the paint was just showing its age some. So they had it professionally done, and it was done nicely. There's not a bunch of overspray. You might find a spot here or there. But overall, very nice job, and you can see the nose cone now. It's a nice shape, not full of rock chips, dings, scratches, anything like that. Go ahead, check out the still pictures. There's going to be over 120 pictures of this car online. You're going to see soft top. You're going to see the hard top that goes with it. We're going to touch on that here in a second too. You'll see pictures with the top down, just like we're doing the video here. And all the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Riding on the original alloy Mazda wheels. Toyo radials. Alright, cloth bucket seats. Center console. 5-speed manual. AM, FM, cassette, CD, kind of in that era where it was both were available as far as cassettes and CDs. Again, cruise control, AC. Top is in nice shape. Before this video is over, we're going to put that up. Check it out. It's a black vinyl top. Speaking of tops, all right, let's swing back here. I want to show you something. All right, first off, so don't forget to mention it, the stand that this is on, I got to keep here at the shop for display purposes when I'm doing these videos, so I'm sorry. That stand does not go with this top, but the top will be put on the car and shipped with it. It's red, same color as the car, so you get the hard top with this, you got the soft top. Then you're also going to have the sun block, sun deflector that goes in the windshield, and then the black that you see right there, that would be your cockpit cover. So if you wanted to drive this car actually with the top down, possibility of going through some rain, you wouldn't have to put the top up. You could actually have the cockpit cover in, or let's say you're at a car show, you're traveling, don't want to put the top up, you put the cockpit cover in, you won't have to actually put the top up. And what that does is up here in the dash, you can see these little buttons. There you go, right there. Another one going over to there. It fastens to them, and we'll go over the backs of the seats here. There's a zipper where you can zip out the driver's side, so somebody can sit in there and drive with it on. You see them on the Roadsters a lot. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the paint has good reflection in it. That's actually the showroom behind me, and the lights going to the front door. It also has that light coating that you'd see on them to kind of detour the rock chips. I don't know if you can get that to show up in the pictures, but it's kind of light coating that goes in the paint. There you can see it. It looks like orange peel. It's not orange peel. It's supposed to be in there. Again, that is a protectant, so you don't get the rock chips in the paint. Obviously, nice parade boot or convertible top cover. Now, these were an all steel car, of course, with a lightweight aluminum hood. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. We're going to start it up, pop the hood, let you check that out underneath there. All right, door panels, original. Miata floor mats in there. Now, of course, you look at the seats here, not torn, ripped, showing any sort of excessive wear. Dash, nice shape, not sun-baked, weather-checked, cracked, faded, anything like that. Now, wipers do work, horn works, AC works, AM/FM radio works. I will show you something there though, just in case. Just make you aware of. All right, and as you can see, there's your miles. 38,617. No warning indicators on. Gas gauge works. Again, AC. Now the one thing I did notice, the readout on the radio is a little bit iffy, but it does work. Some of the lines are not showing up. That would typically, I say VOL for volume, but it does work just fine. You'd have to program your auto stations in there, click through them. Not going to be a problem. But the readout does have some of the little bars that it spells out letters and number with. Those are in op. But radio works. All right. Only really seen one modification to this, and that was a strut tower brace underneath the hood, which is going to stiffen it up. So actually a nice little aftermarket add. Come around to the rear, see it's not smoking. Hardly hear it run, smooth running. Inline 4-cylinder, 1.6 liter. All right, I'm going to pause this. Let's pop the hood. Let's check out that engine bay. Then we're going to put the soft top up. Let you see how that looks too. Here's a strut tower brace it's talking about. Nicely done. Looks like a quality one also. You can see what brand that is. But, oh, tough to read. Trying to read it on the screen. Give you an idea. So dual overhead cam, inline 4, 1.6 liter, and it's a smooth one. The reviews that these got when they came out. Very good. Fun car to drive, handled great, power to weight ratio is good, and they're reliable. It's going to make somebody a nice roadster. A lot of miles left on this one. All right, there you get an idea as far as the engine underneath the hood. Of course, you can see we have power brakes here also. All right, I'm going to pause this one last time. Let's check out that soft top and we'll button up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go, have the top up. Again, black vinyl top. Nice shape. I haven't seen any rips, tears, holes, anything like that in it. Again, manual, one person can put it up and down with ease, latch it into place. Does have the plastic rear window, and as you can see, that works fine. You can see through there. It does show its age a little bit, but you got to remember this car is 30 years old. Low mile car for that, and in very nice shape considering the miles. But how many times are you going to have this top up on this car when you're driving it anyway? Probably a few times when you might want to get out of the sun, or possibly get a little sprinkle or get caught in a rain shower. It's going to serve its purpose for that. Let's put it that way. Then remember, you still have the hard top too. You want to do some traveling with this, put the hard top on. You can sure do that also. Parade boot that'll go over the soft top, well, that'll be included in the purchase of this vehicle. So basically all you got to do is fold that convertible top down, put the hard top on, and you're good. We can ship everything that way. Remember, clean Carfax, low mile, no accidents. This car's got a lot of miles left in it. Very nice car in good shape. 1990 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation in this vehicle. May qualify for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.